Have you ever pondered why 70% of people spend their entire lives dependent on a salary, never attaining financial freedom? If you truly aspire to wealth, hard work alone won't cut it. You need the right financial education. And today, we're going to share some money secrets that successful people follow. Most people harbor misconceptions about making money. They believe that working harder will make them rich, but reality begs to differ. Bad saving habits, spending without thinking, and neglecting investments. These are all significant obstacles to financial success. Successful people don't make their money work. They make their money work for them. They generate income through passive means, such as investments, real estate, and business. With the right financial decisions, you too can become wealthy. The biggest money secret is that making money is a game of the mind, not labor. Wealthy individuals focus on investments and assets, while ordinary people limit themselves to expenses and savings. If you want to become rich, you'll need to change the way you think about money. In summary, we've learned how crucial strategies for making and investing money are. If you adopt these secrets, achieving financial independence won't be impossible. Which of these money secrets did you find most useful? Be sure to let us know in the comments below. And subscribe to our channel for more awesome financial wisdom. And we'll see you in the next video.